Harangkat ke Dheng gali ke benang yai pen Sohsat ke yai ke yang hanong ba Shillong kumju hadu bla syam jinge banon ra ki jingshna na ke jingkiu ke jingdon ki kali uba al hek MLA ke BJP na pentor omkra lomba ke jingtmu ban shna da flyover kandai sen jam ban Weng ya kani ke jingi kendu jinge da ke bakdaw ke jingter wasna flyover na Rhino she Barik uba hek loang bu Sorkar ke walat ban Weng ya ke jinge ke ba omdai tang shipor henry ke ban Islam lomba ke jingi ther ke dangya shekmat ban shemik sen jam ba ya ke yang ki kali kan long ke bayaj be renti bat benrap bak Sorkar MDA ha ke jingi lam kon rat ke sangma menteri rang ba hi katerwa ban pentri kamno ya ke tege flyover.
We also facing the same problem here, the same issue we are also facing, being, we are having the government vehicle, we have got the siren car, but even then, we are also facing the same issue. So the thing is only, because the road is within the Shillong city, there are so many roads are there, but there are so many junctions. The junctions, people are coming from different junctions where it increase the traffic congestion in the city of Shillong. Solution is our government, our MDA government under the leadership of the Honorable Chairman Sir Conrad Sama, we are planning to build a few flyovers. When the flyovers will be there, I think we'll be able to manage to reduce the traffic congestion in the states of the Shillong city. See, now we have to manage and request the landowner. We have to do a lot of homework. It is like that too. It's very, very difficult because land here is not a government land. All land belong to either to individual, the clans, or the people lands. So to acquire the land, we have to go into the serious discussion with all the individual landowner, the clans and all to pass some land which is also will be benefit both the government also benefit, people will benefit, and also will be benefit for those landowner who are going to be donated the land because they are also be connected with road. Will be connecting with roads. I fully agree with you. Will not be fully solve the problem, but at least it can ease the problem to some extent. Traffic congestion of Shillong is not a new thing. It has been discussed several times, several years to ensure that how we can sort it out this problem. We have given long time. I have whole one meeting also when they call with all the PWD engineer, the road construction engineers. So we had the meeting with them also. I discussed with all of them also to ensure that as much as possible how we can to solve this menace that we are facing at present of the traffic congestion.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya